Hello friends, myself Pramod Phatak, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, late Pushpa Devi Patil Arts and Science College, Risod. From your syllabus, we have discussing the unit second, and from the unit second, the part A, that is crystal field theory. In last lecture, we have seen the splitting of square planar complex, that is the crystal field splitting in square planar complex. Now, in today's lecture, we have to see the crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complexes. So, this imagine a tetrahedron inscribed in a cube. So you have to imagine the tetrahedron. Okay, this one is the cube and here is the tetrahedron. Here is the x-axis, then here is the z-axis, and this facing one is the which is a y-axis. So in this cube we have to discuss this crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complexes. This is actually a completely different from that of octahedral field in we have discussed in last one lecture. So where this is the d orbital, and when you apply the energy it gets split into the two sets of orbital, that is E and T2. In octahedral field we have discussed the splitting of these 5d orbitals in T2g and Eg. Here is the T2g and there is a 3 orbitals, and here is the Eg where 2 orbitals, but here in tetrahedron or tetrahedral splitting here is the different type of splitting. Here is the E, not Eg, and here is the T2, not T2g, because there is a degeneracy, so there is no use of G, means not a gerund, so that's why G is not used in tetrahedral splitting. And distance between these two E and T2 is del T. This del T represents the tetrahedral complex or crystal field energy of tetrahedral complex, and splitting the from the orientation to this T2 is 2 by 5 del T, and from this to E is 3 by 5 del T. The higher energy set of orbitals dxz, dyz and dxy is labeled as T2, and the lower energy set dz square and dx square minus y square is labeled as E. The crystal field splitting in the tetrahedral field is intrinsically smaller than in octahedral field. For most purposes, the relationship may be represented as del T is equal to 4 by 9 del O. Okay, here is the relation between, means this del octahedron energy is greater than that of del tetrahedral. So this is the difference between octahedral and tetrahedral complexes, or here we have seeing the crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complexes. Okay, here is the difference between octahedral and tetrahedral. Octahedral versus tetrahedral complexes. So this is your d orbital in spherical field or ground state. When you apply the energy to this d orbital, it gets splitted. When it gets splitted in octahedral field, you have get this T2g orbital set or set of T2g orbital and this Eg orbital set or set of Eg orbital. This is one is the octahedral splitting or octahedral field. The difference between these two sets of orbital is the del octahedral. From ground state, this Eg to ground is 0.6 del octahedral and from ground to T2G is 0.4 del octahedral. This one is the dxy, dyz and dxz, and this is the dx square minus y square and dz square. Likewise, same in splitting in tetrahedral field. From ground, it also splitted into the two sets, that is the T2 and E. But E sets having two d orbitals, that is dx square minus y square and dz square, and this T2 having a dxy, dyz and dxz, means complete opposite to the octahedral field. Okay, here is the Eg orbital set dx square minus y square, and here is the E orbital set dx square minus y square dz square. Here is the T2G orbital set dxy, dyz, dxz, and here is the T2 orbital set, that is dxy, dyz and dxz. The difference between these two orbitals in tetrahedral, this is del t, and difference between these two orbitals in octahedral, this is the del o. Okay, from ground to this T2 set, 0.4 del tetrahedral, and from ground to this E set, 0.6 del tetrahedral, means this is also a completely difference in their crystal field stabilization energy, that is del octahedral to del tetrahedral. Okay, now this is the difference between octahedral and tetrahedral. So we have to compare the difference between these two, or this octahedral and tetrahedral crystal field stabilization energy. Here is the some grammatical, or sorry, graphical representation. This one is the your del, and this is the t for tetrahedral, is smaller than this del, and o is the octahedral. So value of del tetrahedral is lower than that of del octahedral. So what is the difference in between these two elements, these two energies, is the del t is equal to 4 by 9 del o. So we have to keep in mind that del tetrahedral is lower than that of del octahedral. Okay, in last some lectures we have seen this crystal field splitting in octahedral field, then in distorted octahedral field, then in square planar field, and now today's lecture we have seen the crystal field splitting in tetrahedral field. Now we have to see the factors affecting crystal field splitting in octahedral field. Okay, we have to discuss the factors affecting on the this CFT in octahedral field. Okay, here is some 4 to 5 different factors which affects on the crystal field splitting in octahedral field. So all these factors is dependent on the nature of metal ion. The nature of metal center is most important. The influence of this factor can be studied under the following some points in next lecture. So we have to revise what we have to seen in last some lectures, that is the most important in crystal field theory, the splitting of crystal field complexes in various geometries. Okay, So octahedral field, then square planar field, tetrahedral field, and distorted octahedral or nothing but pentagonal. You have to keep in mind that this del tetrahedral energy is lower than that of del octahedral. So this factor affecting on the crystal field splitting in octahedral field is discussed in next lecture. Thank you.